let's make some coffee. The bump is bumping this morning. Anyways, yes, I am already wearing maternity things. Yes, honey. She's in the Mamaroo. We don't do the Mamaroo very often, but because like we had to put all her stuff away and because we have a ton of stuff out that I don't want her touching, she's in the Mamaroo. She's having a great time watching Miss Rachel. So last night I was telling you guys about how I bought a dip nail kit online. I actually got a Prime Day deal on it. Because, so I had tried to do my dip, like my own dip nails years ago, but it was kind of like when dip first started and like the nail kits that you could get on Amazon, like without like a beauty supply store license, like without being like a licensed, like you know how hairdressers have like a license and stuff like that, like they can go to the beauty stores. Well, the stuff on Amazon was never as good as the salon stuff. That was years ago. Well, anyways, I digress. Is it still good? Yeah, it is. I went on Amazon the other day and I was like, you know what? Like they've probably come a long way. So I bought one because it had so many good reviews and I got it like half off too, which was amazing. Because the reason why I'm even like talking about doing it myself is because I went to the salon on Tuesday and I spent probably way too much money. Definitely way too much money just to get my nails dipped. And literally, so I went Tuesday night at like 6 o'clock. I woke up Wednesday morning and multiple nails already were completely cracked. And if you've had dip before, then you know that that's the first step before they start like chipping. It cracks and it chips. And I'm like, okay. And this is literally not the first time that this has happened over the past couple months. And I was like mad and sad, but like, I don't have time to go back to get it fixed. So I was like, whatever. So I don't know if you guys can tell. I'll show you with the camera in a second. So from a distance, can you tell that I fixed this finger? In the dip kit that I bought, there was actually a color that was like really pretty close to it. So I fixed it myself. So you can see, you know, obviously it's like a little bit lumpy because the existing polish that stayed on is still there. The reason why I left it there is because everything else chipped off and I don't have nail polish remover and I just didn't have, you know, like an hour yesterday. So I just dipped around it and then did one layer on top. But anyways, it is a little bit bumpy where the old polish was. However, I think, and it feels strong, I think I'm gonna start dipping them myself. Maybe I'll make a video because I'm trying to think. We are going somewhere next week. So I'm thinking I'm going to do my nails before we go. Yeah. The house is like ready for a party. Carl is currently out right now picking up the birthday cake, the pizza, ice, stuff like that. I got like all of my like stuff ready over there to make a little cheese board. Honestly, maybe I'll tell Carl to pick up Chick-fil-A breakfast on the way home. He's not going anywhere near Chick-fil-A, never mind, scratch that. All right, I'm sure I will catch y'all later. Definitely when I'm making my cheese board. And yeah, I will chat with you guys later. Bye. Oh, you look so majestic, buddy.